My bed is wrinkly, and frankly, I'm just tired of recording this intro. Every time I record it, something looks off or weird. Okay, I really hope this one makes the cut. Like, honestly, like, okay? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lota if you are new. If you hear something in the background, it's because I decided to start recording when my neighbors were getting their lawn cut. So that is, this is going to be a video on DIY scrunchies as the title says. Also, if I sound like kind of nasally, it's because I have allergies and like, I've had a stuffed nose for 2 weeks. So, I will list everything that I used to make these. Why did I do that? I'll list everything I used to make these scrunchies in the description down below. But I'll also say them just like really quickly. I got my fabric from Joanns Fabric and Crafts. I got my scrunchies from Walmart. I got a 10-pack. And then I got my sewing machine from Amazon. It was like $35. It was really cheap. And I've had it for 2 years right now. And I use it like a fair amount, so I'd say it's a pretty good sewing machine. So if you guys would like to know how to make scrunchies, just keep watching. Also, I actually made this scrunchie right here. As you guys can see, my scrunchie broke. Literally, the elastic inside just broke. But the fabric is still here, so I'm just going to use this as my base for measurements of the other pieces of fabric. So I'm just going to go in and rip all the seams, but like with an X-Acto knife, so it's not really seam ripping, but like, who cares? You're going to take your scrunchie, just a regular scrunchie I got from Walmart for like 88 cents, a pack of 10. And then this is the original scrunchie fabric that I had. So this might seem like a little tricky, but it's really not. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your scrunchie and then put it like towards the top of your fabric. And then you're going to fold your fabric in half like this around the scrunchie. You guys can see that? And then keep folding it in half around the scrunchie. So this is gonna look weird at first, but then when you keep folding it in half around the scrunchie, eventually it'll make a circle. And then I'll show you guys what to do when I get there. So this is what it's going to look like. So this is what it looks like right now. This is the opening. So then you're just going to flip it inside out. So now that it's flipped inside out, obviously you can see that it is a scrunchie. So then all you're going to do is tuck the fabric under, so like tuck it back like this. That makes sense. I'm tucking it under, that way the fabric isn't sticking out. And then you're gonna tuck the other side as well, like this. And then you're going to sew those sides together, like you're gonna put one tube inside of the other tube. So as you guys can see, I kind of messed up on this, but I mean, I find it funny how I'm making a tutorial and I sewed through the elastic, the whole thing that makes it a scrunchie. So I actually just messed up on it. I accidentally sewed the elastic down, so I'm gonna have to go back in and rip open that seam. Put it out, and I ended up having to cut some fabric, but like whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it halfway so I don't reach the elastic. and then reverse stitch back up to the top. And then I'm gonna go in on the other side and close it up. So that took forever, but I finally got the end sewn. So here's the scrunchie. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with this yellow fabric as well. So you're just gonna start with your fabric. Make sure it's on the side you want. In my case, both sides are the same, so I don't really care. And then you're going to take it and you're gonna fold your fabric upwards like this in half around the scrunchie, and you're gonna keep folding it upwards like so. And then obviously you can see it's already starting to scrunch, and then you're just gonna sew a straight stitch. So then what you're going to do is you're going to flip it and turn it inside out. So this is basically what I did to the black scrunchie, but it's just a lot easier to tell on the yellow one. But this is where the elastic is, because obviously if you sew over that, it's not going to stretch. So this is the yellow scrunchie.